Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni European Espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replace the orange that you see right here, all of them. This gasket from the piston, gasket from the piston itself, this steamer one, the gasket from the side glass, this side glass over here. This is the older case of the steamer, and we're gonna be replacing that as well. But right now we don't have anything. We're just checking for leaks and on the machine, and there are no leaks or anything. The machine is being working the way it's supposed to, and it doesn't have any leaks. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out, and then we're gonna be running some steam. Nice shot of espresso, and as you can see, nice crema on top of it as well. Good extraction. Steamer for this machine, working the way it's supposed to. Nice pressure coming out of the steamer one. You don't get to see that much steam because we have the door closed and it's hot in here. So you don't get to see it that much, but it's nice, good temperature, working the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, La Pavoni European working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this day, and thanks for watching.